Hello kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you how to make this dinner rolls or Ghanaian sugar bread. This thing out so delicious, and see how it bounced back. It's light, it's fluffy, name it guys. This turned out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give this a try because it's a definitely must try recipe. You need to try this because you're going to love it. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add in your milk. Make sure the milk is warm. Add in sugar, dry active yeast, and powdered milk. Stir this together till well combined, and add in egg, grated nutmeg. The list and amount of the ingredients will be listed in the comment section, so check there for the amount of the ingredients. Add in salt and mix all this ingredients together till well combined. I'll then go ahead and add in my flour. So I didn't add in the flour all at once. I added in little by little, bit by bit, until it formed a dough. So you're not using a machine for this. It's better you mix it little by little until you've added all the amount of the flour. After 5 minutes, I'll then go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of flour on my work surface and transfer the dough on it. Lastly, I'll add in butter. I divided the butter into two, add in half, and then wait until everything has come together, and then added in the other half again. Make sure your butter is soft. I'm using softened butter. If it's soft, it helps to mix it easily mixed, and you don't have to waste time for kneading. So this is the rest that I'm adding it to it, and as you can see, the butter is very soft. So you have to go ahead and knead the dough for more or less from 8 to 10 minutes. Just play with the dough. You want a sticky, stretchy, soft dough. Just look at this. This is what you're looking for. It shouldn't be hard. The amount of the flour that I used, I didn't add in any extra flour. It was just a little bit of flour that I sprinkled on my work surface, and that was it. So don't add in any flour, and then play with the dough until it gets sticky, stretchy. It makes your bread more delicious, more nice, guys. When done, put it in your bowl, put it back in your bowl, cover it with a cling film, and let it rest for 1 hour or until doubled in size. After 1 hour, go ahead and brush your baking bowl with a little bit of butter and then sprinkle flour on it. When done, tap or shake to take out any excess flour on the bowl, and set it aside. After 1 hour, bring the dough, remove the cling film on it, and then transfer it on your work surface. But first, sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface and then transfer the dough on top of it. And just see how stretchy, how spongy the dough is. This is what you're looking for. So guys, when the flour is that much, use your hands to brush off any excess flour on your work surface. You do not want that much flour on your work surface. Roll it in a long shape like this, and then cut it into smaller pieces. This is the size I'm going in for. It's around 70 to 80 grams of the dough. You can eyeball it or weigh it if depending on the size that you want. After, bring one of the dough and make sure you cover the rest with a cling film to stop it from drying out, or for the edge to form a skin. So make sure you cover it, and then roll the dough like this as demonstrated in the video. Fold it into two and roll it in the ball shape with your palm, or you can put it on the wet surface and roll it in the ball shape. Just like this. This is what you're looking for. Put it in your baking bowl. Continue with the rest and arrange it on your baking pan or bowl like this, depending on how size your baking bowl or your baking tray is. Cover it with a cling film and make sure you brush the surface of your cling film with a little bit of butter, and then keep it aside and let it double in size. It makes it easy. As you can see, just look at it, it's easily taken off the cling film. If you don't brush it on top, sometimes it could stick to the dough, and then when removing it, it will deflate the dough. You do not want the dough to get deflated. When done, brush on top with a little bit of egg wash. Brush on top with egg wash as demonstrated in the video, and bake this bad boys. And look at it, guys. Lastly, this is the last thing to do. Brush on top of the bread with butter and you're good to go, guys. This turned out so delicious, so yummy. My son was there waiting for this bread to get ready. It was just so delicious. I hope you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. And guys, just see how this bread bounced back. Just look at this. It's light, it's fluffy, it's soft, it's not heavy at all. It's very nice. It's delicious. Trust me, when I say something is delicious, this is delicious. I hope you're going to give this a try. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.